What's up, y'all? There goes my twin. Me and Babe are about to go to lunch. He's on break, so we have to head out the door like right now. We're heading out to lunch. He asked me out on a lunch date. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put on my shirt. So we're on our way to lunch, and we're going to this salad bar that we want to check out in our new neighborhood. So they say it's really, really good. I cannot wait. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better.
Okay, so we're actually, I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I came home, I did my face, and actually just recorded the 10 reasons why your friendships may end video, and I think it's going to be a good one, so I hope you guys enjoy that. We're about to head out because Mom has some medicine we need to pick up, and Babe said he's going to barbecue today. Sorry, I have my retainer in, but he said he's going to barbecue, and I can't wait to have that. So we're about to go ahead and head out. Y'all, I was gonna actually talk to you guys in the car, but since I'm driving, I like to focus. These people in Texas drive crazy, so if you're thinking about moving here, make sure, I think it's a requirement that you have full coverage insurance. Make sure you have some insurance because these folks can't drive. So enjoy the ride.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be.
What you making?
I'm making bacon wrapped mushrooms, I'm making bratwurst, and I'm making burgers.
Okay.
Hold us together, I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over?
Okay guys, so we're back at Ikea today, and yeah, let's see if they have the bookcase.
Baby, you the
got to be. Oh.
They only got one left?
They only got one left. Oh my God, you guys. Yes, it's the Brimnes in the black. They only have one left.
Many boxes?
Huh?
Yeah, it's just supposed to be 2 boxes, right?
Yeah.
I gotta turn.
Here.
Stop, baby, stop. Stop. This way. This way. They go right in here. Right there. Let me ready.
Don't stop. Yep, this is it. Oh, it was the last one. Oh my God, come on.
Come on. Don't get the camera.
Today we actually picked up the bookcase again. They had it in stock for 2 days and we literally picked up the last one. So we are now about to go check it out. I look a mess, but I feel so happy right now. Like nobody or nothing can steal this joy, you guys. Like I'm super excited that we got it. We picked it up and babe was like, hey, he was the one who reminded me. So shout out for the alley-oop over here for the assist, okay? But yeah. But yeah, so we're about to go ahead and pay for it. I already showed you guys what it looked like in the last vlog when we were struggling to get this one. I know you guys can't hear me, but we're about to go and pay for it right now and hopefully set it up today. Hopefully babe doesn't have much to do today and hopefully we'll set it up today and show you guys what it looks like. Make sure you guys give this video a really big thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe and come on, let's finish enjoying the vlog. Guys, I always like to come to like the baby don't hit me with that. Oh God. So like the, I don't know, is this called the refurbished section or the didn't work out section? These are some really unique office chairs. Never seen anything like that before. Really unique. Doesn't look like it's going to do much for holding me, but they're really unique. Like I know this is not just. Yes, where are the shelves at? Are there shelves to this?
They're sold separately. That's just the frame.
They're sold separately. Okay. Well, nothing more to see here. You chilling? You at home? Nothing to see here. Keep on moving.
This is gonna be my old man couch right here.
You living your best life on this couch, baby?
This is my old man couch.
Your old man couch. You decided this is gonna be it. This is when after you turn how old? 60?
Once I get about 62.
62, okay.
62.
Hopefully they still have this when you're 62. You know what I mean? I don't know. Is it comfortable? It look low. Let me see what it feels like. It's actually kind of comfortable. I don't like the way it sits back though, but it's pretty comfortable. Too bad we already have a man cave couch.
Oh, I like a man cave.
This doesn't fit the aesthetic anyway. You know what I mean?
This can't be no man cave.
This is like a
sit on no
cheap.
leather.
Yeah. And get comfortable. Yeah. You right. Okay, let's go ahead and take that back and then we can run and grocery shop.
What we gonna do?
Not much because we don't need much.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and pay for this and then run to the grocery store. Obviously, we're not in any type of rush, cause.
Are you ready?
Barely. This couch is kind of comfortable. Oh, now I gotta get up. Okay.
Crutches, I be holding crutches. Can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough
For me to prove. Hey, got the focus. All right, guys. So I just was editing this video. Let me go ahead and stop it. Maybe I can prop you guys up really quick so I don't have to hold you. Do you guys see? When I went around to do baseboards, which I'll link the video below, and actually painted the walls, I definitely forgot the walls in the office. So as you guys can see, my chair has been rubbing against that. I really want to get a new chair, but when I slam back, because it's a lot of room from here, I can't even touch the wall, but it's a lot of room from here to the wall, but I will scoop my chair back and kind of scrape it up, and it's like all along this. But if you guys can see, show you guys, I do have babe did go ahead and set up my new bookcase, and I'm sorry, I'm not standing, I am sitting. So he set up the bookcase, and I just have that on, just stuff on there for right now. It's not decorated. Let me show you guys what my cousin, she's also a subscriber, so shout out to my cousin Wanda. She got me this. It says always choose kindness. It's super cute, and she said I thought that would be so perfect, especially after watching your videos. I know you're all about that, so thank you so much, cousin Wanda. I appreciate it, and we are using it because we need those good vibes. But this is what the bookcase looks like. If you guys see up there, I'm not done painting that wall as of yet. But I also noticed that this vlog was literally all over the place, so I want to apologize as it is. I'm editing right now, and I'm like, we're gonna make this as interesting as possible. So I do want to just hop on here and let you know it's the end of the vlog, and I thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Make sure that you guys subscribe and give this video a really big thumbs up. As always, remember to stay safe, spread love, and always be kind. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.